In primetime news this evening, politics and vaccination. Private sector calls for political unity on vaccine mandate. The Prime Minister responds. Looming mental health crisis, but psychiatric nursing aides say no employment forcing them overseas. And later, under control. Fly infestation in Rose and St. Mary reduced after health department's intervention.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Financial Week, Primetime Sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking, in what ways do you think the government could improve the care program for persons who need financial assistance during the pandemic? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at TelevisionJam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.